Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a sponsor on Cash App. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here we are just going to follow the support article of Cash App. And basically requesting sponsorship, you will need just to have to meet these requirements. First, you will need to be between the age of 13 and 17 so you can ask your parents or guardian to sponsor your account. And basically, to do so, you will need just to go to the profile icon for your Cash App. That means your settings, and from your profile picture or from your settings, you will be able to see these accounts and settings menu. And as you can see, here we will find the family uh, icon or the family section. So you will need just to click on it. By clicking on family, you will be prompted to select that you are a teen. So there you will need just select family and tap that I'm teen. So you can add your guardian or one of your parents as a sponsor. So by adding your name and the birthday, you will need just to select the sponsor and look up for your parents or guardian, and then you can start sending the invitation for sponsor. And for your sponsor or your member of family, you will then need just to go to the profile icon in your Cash App, and basically they need just to go again to family. So basically by going to family, they will find, or they will need to select family so they can uh, invite the teen and they can add the teen, or they can be as sponsor. And basically we need just to follow the prompts to share link using text or email, and they can uh, prompt it or send it to the teen so they can be sponsored. And to approve any sponsor request, you can simply go to the activity, and by going to the activity menu, which is this clock icon, by going to the clock icon, you will find to see all the activities, and basically you will find your invitation that has been sent and you can accept it. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.